Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Seat. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Seat Ibiza FR. Now of course this is the 1 litre MPI model, and you do get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and of course you then, when you get round to the side, get these brilliant 17-inch painted alloy wheels. These are the dynamic alloys, and I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. But coming around to the rear now, as you can see, it is on a early 22 model, early 22 plate. We've then got plenty of room in the tailgate, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming around the side again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with navy blue inserts. Of course, it isn't too blue, so it's not entirely noticeable, but you get full ISOFIX mounting points across the rear bench. You've got full electric automatic windows all round as well. And then coming inside the car, we've then got your 5-speed manual gearbox. We've got your central locking and stop-start off just there. We've then got dual climate control, and then we also have a touchscreen display in the middle. This does come with your satellite navigation, your various media sources. We've then got your various radio sources as well. And we've got Bluetooth hands-free, and then we've also got full link. This will enable your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. But coming over to the steering wheel now, we've got your cruise control settings on the inner left, and then on the outer left we've got your volume. Over on the right hand side, we have got on the top half your onboard computer controls, so you can change the middle display to see what you would like to see. You've then got your track select and Bluetooth hands-free just there. As you can see, this car has done 19,155 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Ibiza FR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Seat.